हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द देसी एनआरआईज। मैं हूं सुजय शर्मा एंड विद मी माय co-host Sufal Kapoor, and we are going to talk to you guys today about the recent farm issues that's happening in India. And I am here in North America in close to Syracuse in upstate New York. I'm in Elmira right now actually, and Sufal is connecting or joining us from Vancouver in British Columbia in Canada. So we are very much in North America, very much in the cold here, and हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी दोनों, so हम लोग की as a little bit of the mind, a little bit of our thoughts is always back home, and we keep an eye on what's happening back home. So we thought we will get a perspective out to you guys about how we feel about what's going on back home, and what's more hot and current than the farmers thing that's going on, the farmers protest. हाँ सुपल क्या बोलता है?
Right.
That's my friend Sufal there.
It's been like around 3 months now that this protest is on, and there is no resolution happening, and there's no talks happening now. And if you see every second day, there is something new happening and flashy happening in farmers' protest.
Yeah.
And
Like Sufal, I know some days have passed, but we should mention, if we're talking about the farm protest, we should mention the 26th January, man. My God, it was so disturbing watching that from here, wasn't it? हम लोग वहाँ पे है भी नहीं. We're watching it from here, and it was kind of disturbing to see that on Republic Day, to see all that.
definitely, the violence which happened on that day was really disturbing, and not only that, the law was broken, and even like I was watching it on a live television, and I was so scared, not only for the farmers but for the
Yeah.
common people who live over there, right? Hopefully
Yes, man.
there were some mishappenings, but it was not so much, but that was not at all accepted. And not only we, like even the leaders of farmers protest is opposing this thing, whatsoever happened,
Yeah.
right?
So you see, my thought on this was, it's okay. Farmers should protest if they are not happy with some price they're getting, and we know how farmers suffer in India. We definitely know it. We have spent more than 2 decades there. We from there. We know how farmers' situation is. We've non-stop always been hearing about farmer suicides, right? Right. So we know how the situation is there. Let them protest. But I mean, if they had this understanding with the police that they have to use a particular route or whatnot, this farmers leaders should have controlled the population. Or एक time पे ऐसा हो गया कि nothing was controllable, but them climbing up on Red Fort and taking out flags and putting the कौन सा साहिब है वो Nishan Sahib. Nishan Sahib, putting the Nishan Sahib in, and which people confuse for all the Khalistani stuff, right? Because all that will happen, and there is a major connection. I actually wanted to talk. We'll come to that in a bit, but I wanted to talk about that whole thing that has.
If you're talking about
angle.
No, if you talk about what's happened on 26th January on Red Fort was something like, but if you see the entire farmers thing which was on road, most of them never knew what was the right route, okay, because half of the barricades were being broken.
See, so you don't do such a rally then, if you don't even know what the right route is.
No, there were
some people.
There were barricades all over.
Yeah.
I won't say that there weren't any barricades, but what happened at 8 a.m. in the morning, at 7:30 or somewhat, a group of 5,000 farmers just went in, broke the barricade, and started their route on the highway and all those things. And after that, the people who were following, see, if you are in any rally or anywhere, you follow whosoever are like in front, okay?
Right.
So when the people who were leading it, when they misguided it, like the 5,000 people who started it, I'm not talking about the 10 lakh people who are
in the end, it did get misguided. In the end, people got to the Red Fort. people started in that heated exchange with the police. These guys, farmers have hit police have hit them, and all that kind has happened. They've thrown that video, tha na, which of course this media, which wants the protest to stop or not do so much. They were non-stop playing that clip I saw of cops falling down about 10, 15, 20 feet down, and there's some stuff being thrown at them. I'm sure we've all seen them. So ये
See,
सब हुआ है, and we saw how these individual protesters, a lot of these urban guys, Sikhs, non-Sikhs, everybody, God knows, Hindu, Muslim, everybody, basically the farmers, police are taking them and whacking them, and we saw
you
that also.
you are absolutely right, but I want to start like this farmers protest has not started from 26 January. If you see the history of this farmers protest, it has started from October, mid of October. And
Yes,
when this
you're right.
farmers when
From
this
August, actually, let me correct you there. When the bill was passed on 9th August 2020, right after that, that bill, the teen bill, which is about one was about the MSP, one was about the the APMC mandis, right? Those bills were passed on 9th of August, and then protests started within a week or 2 weeks after that. Yeah,
right.
so you are right that it started somewhere in 2020, early, I mean late
Yes,
2020, third
but
quarter almost.
if you see in August there were no like there were group of 25 30 people who started this protest, but if you come to like mid of October something, there were a lot of people who joined this protest and
Yes,
started.
there was the beat was a lot.
Yes,
That's correct.
yes, and then when this farmers started marching towards Delhi, like they had this
Hmm.
Nara Delhi Chalo. Okay,
Yeah,
why were these farmers stopped on the borders of Delhi? See, Jantar Mantar is a ground which is allocated where most of this andolans and protest goes on. Why were they not been allowed over there? And to be
that's correct.
and on that particular time when this they were marching towards Delhi, they didn't have so much of like people with them, or like lakhs of people protesting against the government, right? If they would have easily allowed them to go to Jantar Mantar and protest peacefully, these things which happened wouldn't have happened. First of all,
True,
I
true.
totally what to say. Um I don't support what happened on 26th. I'm not in favor of that, but somewhere it was a problem from the government of India. Like they should have allowed them. They should have given them. Why were they giving them a place in Haryana when the capital of India is Delhi? When Anna Hazare could protest on Jantar Mantar, when BJP themselves were protesting on Jantar
Because
Mantar.
I think that's because it is Delhi. It's the national capital. Millions of vehicles
So
move non-stop. And this
absolutely right.
protest is big.
When
This
Bharatiya
process,
Janata
this protest is big,
when
and these guys want to stay till like the laws will. They're demanding that the laws being taken off. And
you
we
are
can, we'll come to that in a second. But I'm just trying to answer your question as to why not Delhi, because of the law and order situation is
no,
what I feel.
you are saying that okay. You if you go to our history, like even Bharatiya Janata Party has protested. They have given support to Anna
Yes, they
Hazare.
have. They have.
Okay,
See,
when
but
see
if you
when
go
you are
back 15
no
years also, let's say, hypothetically, let's say if Delhi's population was 5 million and let's say there were 5 million cars also 15 years ago,
say 20
hypothetically, okay?
2008
In
2008.
2008, that's already 13 years ago. Super. See, already that is 13 years ago. So think about it. Right now, the population is 20-25 crores, and let's say, I mean, 20-25 million, hypothetically, agar 5 million tha, so it's 25 million, and about
what
that many more cars also.
what
So
about
Delhi's
2030
population is about
when Aam
35
Aadmi
million
Party
right now. Yeah,
when
30
when
million right now.
when
3 करोड़ है भाई दिल्ली की पॉपुलेशन.
नहीं तेरी बात
दो
सही
तीन
है
करोड़ है.
तेरी बात सही है
हाँ.
दो 1-1.5 करोड़ तो तब भी थी जब आम आदमी पार्टी जंतर मंतर से अपना पार्टी
No.
बनाई.
It's not the only reason. Absolutely not. I'm just saying there is more requirement of trafficking, policing. More requirement of people following discipline, even lanes. Forget
they
कि पूरा
they
आंदोलन दिल्ली में हो रहा है, जाम करके बैठे हैं.
नहीं नहीं they
तो
never
प्रगति
they
मैदान दे दो. See, I'll tell you my point of view on this. Take them, let them protest in Pragati Maidan and stuff. But this protest, man, is spanning kilometers. They are really calling people from, that's what the Western UP belt, Haryana, Punjab belt, they are calling farmers out who have been coming with अपना 8 महीने का अपना खाना पानी लेके. So this is too big. Okay, let it be. I am definitely on for कि ये सब हो, जैसे हो कि वहां पे अगर जो
भाई ऐसा
प्रोटेस्ट हो
है
रहा है वहां पे
60%।
some ambulance has to go through because somebody is dying, you know, वो सब में डेली लाइफ में दिक्कत नहीं आए, राइट? Now you want the farmers to protest, but you don't want, you know, few people to die because of the protest. So I think the government is has to think about all of that, you know,
नहीं
is what
देखो,
I feel, you know. So moving on from this topic, recently, the most recent news about this whole farmer stuff, it's taking a lot of turns. Huh? एक तो this international media coverage about the Indian farmers protest. What do you think about that? I mean, we follow because we want to follow. Even though we are here, we are looking for some stuff about
dude,
what's
this thing
going
was
on.
bound to
And now this
happen.
stuff is being covered like CNN, BBC, ये सब पे तो it's been coming. ये global news, which is, you know, government of China's mouthpiece. उस पे they are showing drone footages. Believe me or not, they are showing drone footages of vehicles blocked and miles and miles of people protesting. China is showing this, you know. So I was thinking, you know, how's the world perceiving this? What are your takes on that? What do you think is happening in the
Dude,
international media about this?
they are killing democracy, to be really honest. Dude, when
Yeah,
Congress was, every time Mr. Narendra Modi, whenever he came for a speech, he always used to compare what happened with Congress government and what is happening with him. So let's compare now. In Congress government,
yeah,
you were
this is bound to
protesting.
happen, right?
No, no, no.
Matlab,
When there was Congress government, you
I
were.
don't get what you're saying about the Congress government. I'm saying what do you think about the international media perceiving this? Or
That's
how are different countries in the world?
yeah, yeah, I'm coming to that part as well. See, when
Okay,
Congress was ruling us, okay, you were protesting. Okay, that was a right, and it is a constitution right of every Indian that he can protest. Okay, this thing
correct, of
this
course.
thing is a danger for our democracy, because you are not allowing somebody to protest against your decisions. Boss, we have voted for you. We
They're
have given you the
allowing.
chair.
I mean,
Okay,
I,
and
I, I kind of disagree with you here, but
and
maybe that's just my personal, you know, views. But I would say when you say that, you know, they're not allowing farmers to protest, they are allowing farmers to
no,
protest. I mean, the protests
see,
are going on right now as we speak. There are protests
yeah, there
happening right
are
now.
protests, but they have not
Yes,
given them a proper place. See, Jantar Mantar,
I don't
Jantar
know.
Man,
Okay,
Jantar Mantar is
no,
a
no.
place,
So
boss.
you are saying government should give a little more facilities for the protests that they don't want to happen. First of all,
No, no,
they
no,
should
no,
give
no,
them
no.
some
Listen,
accommodation,
listen.
khana
Delhi,
pani room
no, no, no.
service.
Delhi is our capital. Delhi is not
Yes.
इनके बाप की जागीर. First of all,
No, no, you're see, this is law and order. So for it's not about see, कोई दिल्ली में नहीं आ सकता.
क्यों
Anybody
नहीं
with
आ
the
सकता?
family right now,
एक मिनट
नहीं,
रुक,
it's not
क्यों नहीं
about
आ
that. मैं बोल
सकता?
रहा हूँ आ सकता है, सभी को आ सकता है. So and understand this. If you like, you know, really want to understand or understand how this works. So you, me, anybody can take their whole family. Okay, that's allowed. If you are having a protest, an organized protest, it has to get registered with the police. Okay, police will give you approval saying, yes, you can march at this hour. Maybe you want to march at 2 o'clock on a Saturday. Police might
You
tell you, no,
listen,
not at
listen.
2 o'clock. You have to start at 5 o'clock because this is happening at 2. You know, that's what police does. And they give you permission, you know, as long as ये तो भाई कितने बैकिंग के साथ आ रही है किसान वाले में बहुत सारे पॉलिटिशियंस पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज मिले हुए हैं बैकिंग है सो इट्स इजी टू गेट परमिशन दे विल गेट बट इफ यू आर सेइंग वी विल come protest and block and बैठेंगे till you not take the laws back. I don't think any government is going to give you permission that you come protest, sit here, block all of the city's roads until the government repeals the laws, which the government is discussing. They are not blindly going to take the laws back, you know. So till then, any police, which is a separate functioning body from the government, the police will not authorize anything like that, you know. भाई the police were very lenient with the protesters because they understand कोई कोई पुलिस का भाई होगा किसान होगा वो शायद होगा protest में, you know. So police understand they're all people from the land, they understand. And actually for इतने जो population थे लाखों लोग आए and these few thousand policemen उनको नई orders थे कि shoot at sight मारो. The police were not being given orders and that's why they were lenient. That's why
See, you
भाई
are
वहां पे
talking.
लाल किले में आर्मी है पीछे. The army is housed in a small battalion. It's वो tradition चलता आ रहा है. मैं पढ़ रहा था ये सब हुआ उसके बाद. When I knew about this, okay, वहां पे लाल किले में a small battalion is there, at least 1,000 2,000 trained soldiers reside trained in the Red Fort quarters. Okay, पुलिस तो वहाँ पे थी जो इन लोगों के साथ थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा भगाने की कोशिश कर रही थी, and मारपीट चल रहा था and all that. Man, you think if the orders were
मारने की
given, that
कोशिश
guy removing the
नहीं कर रही थी
flag?
ब्रो
No,
जब
no,
जब
nobody
अंदर
was trying to do anything violent.
one simple question. When you know that farmer is going to protest, when you knew that the entire Delhi state is under red alert, why was Red Fort not been what to say under alert, and there were no
More
policemen?
security.
Exactly.
But,
Third,
but
secondly,
definitely
wait,
questions should be asked. I
wait,
agree with
wait,
you.
wait, wait.
Questions should be asked from the police.
Wait. I'll tell you something. I was watching it live on television over here. Okay, the first footage which came on NDTV. Okay, the police people were sitting on chairs, relaxing, and people were moving in. First
Yes,
of
I
all,
saw that too. I saw
yeah,
that. Yes,
it
I
is
saw that.
there. Yeah. Secondly,
Yeah.
police people are sitting. From where the hell these police people were jumping out? Was they were not been harmed. They were not been doing anything. The first,
No,
the
police, Indian police especially, does nothing, man. Unless they have been given clear directions from their bosses, they do nothing. एंड वहां पे वो छोटी सी चौकी में करीब 40-50 पुलिस वाले वो लाइक कूप्ड
अभी
अप एंड दे वर सिटिंग, ओके, एंड बाहर 5,000 लोग डंडे लेके जो लेके लेके तलवारें लेके घूम रहे हैं बिंदास. सो
नहीं
दे
5,000
फाउंड इट बेटर, आई थिंक.
नहीं नहीं, और दूसरी बात वो पांच
एनीवेज,
हजार
5,000
लोग
नहीं, लाखों लोग थे.
तलवार लेकर नहीं, और दूसरी बात 5,000 जो पब्लिक आई है उसका जो लीडर है
No, no, people had swords, तलवार ही लेके.
वो तो
I'm not
आज भी
saying
है.
5,000 लोग तलवार लेके they were standing outside. हाँ, आज भी है.
यार
That's what I'm saying. तलवार
यार मैं
डंडे भाई
पंजाबी
सब
हूँ,
थे,
मैं
सबके पास,
पंजाबी हूँ.
दोनों साइड्स के पास.
पंजाब में लोगों के पास
पंजाबी इसमें
तलवारें
पंजाबी,
होती है.
हाँ,
ओके, दैट इज
होती है. That's what. And पंजाबी ही थे वो मोस्टली. सिख्स आर मोस्टली पंजाबीज. एंड
दूसरी.
जो भी वो तलवारें वाले देखे, मोस्टली आई सॉ व्हाटएवर आई सॉ वर टर्बनेटर्स ओनली कैरिंग स्वॉर्ड्स.
yes.
उसमें कोई दो राह नहीं है. देयर इज नो
अभी दिस सिंधु
मैं
व्हाट
मैं पंजाबी नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं इंडियन हूँ, ठीक है. आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम इंडिया, राइट. एंड लाइक दिल्ली, मतलब जितना कोई बिहारी का है, जितना कोई पंजाबी का है, उतना ही मेरा है. नेशनल कैपिटल है, ठीक है. एंड 26 जनवरी जितना कोई पंजाबी के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट डे है, उतना ही कोई बंगाली के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट डे है, उतना कोई गुजराती के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो फीलिंग्स जो हर्ट होती है पूरे देश की हो रही है. 113
फीलिंग्स तो उस दिन भी हर्ट हुई जब उसको
1,300
खालिस्तान
million people,
नहीं नहीं उस
coming to that was going to be super. I wanted to okay, अभी जो टूल किट का पूरा ये जो चल रहा है, ठीक है, कि ये वो कौन सा है, मैं नाम लिख रखा है, ठीक है, मेरे को भूल रहा, मैं 2-3 नाम है ना. ग्रेटा थनबर्ग, Disha Ravi, this Nikita Jacob and Shantanu and some stuff. And this Disha Ravi has been arrested.
Yes, and right today I got this that her bail is also denied.
Oh shit! Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
See, so the government's definitely been doing some stuff with tracking some stuff down. And what are your views on all of this?
No, it's a shit. Okay, when government was fighting election in 2014, they were using a toolkit against Congress government, and they were flashing everything on social media and everything. How this Pappu is done, right? That's all happening, right? So when they do, it is right. When other people do against them, it is wrong, bro. This is not democracy. Everybody has a right to speak.
So you know what? I think if you go to the slight details, you're right. I mean, if it's just a political game, you guys did that against Congress. Congress is doing that to you or something. Then it's all all is fair in love and politics or whatever. वो सब चलता है. But this is the connection that has been there, and I was reading a little bit about it. This Disha Ravi has messaged Greta Thunberg, right, who is an international activist.
Disha Ravi has also
not only in India.
No, Disha Ravi has also handled social media for BJP government in 2019. If you have read that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes.
So no, I did not know that. See, so okay, so there is something going on with this lady, but Ye Desha Ravi has contacted Greta Thunberg, and Greta Thunberg is like a pretty famous international Swedish or Danish, Denmark or Sweden se kahin se hai, Scandinavia se. She is a very famous political activist,
Yes.
young girl.
No. It
Okay,
is climate activist.
climate activist. That's what did I say?
Political
I meant to
activist.
say environmental. Okay,
You
I
said
meant to say environmental climate
Yes.
activist. Yeah. So she is this Greta Thunberg is connected with Peter Friedrich. Peter Friedrich is connected with Bhajan Singh Bindar. Okay. And then Rihanna tweets, and there is information that she has taken $2.5 million from Mo Dhaliwal, who's from your part of town, sir, who's from the
Vancouver.
Vancouver
Sorry.
area. So this Mo Dhaliwal is a PR guy, and he's there. He has albums. He has a touch with the music industry. The Canadian music industry is very much in sync with Hollywood and the Hollywood music industry here in California. So they know all the stars, including people from all over the world, including Rihanna. So he had some connection with her, and through that contact, Rihanna has sent that tale. And if you ask me my opinion, let Rihanna or her grandfather or Trump or anybody, let anybody say their opinion. It's their opinion. You can't stop people from giving opinions,
Exactly.
and you can't stop people from spreading a toolkit for a protest unless that toolkit had stuff about any violence and stuff. What's up? They're investigating. I think the toolkit is available because I'm not for this individual privacy leak, WhatsApp ke encrypted messages leak karna and stuff. Her messages with Greta Thunberg were leaked, right? And this toolkit was also accessed, or
So what
some
about
other
the
versions
message
of
of
toolkits
Arnab
were accessed.
Goswami?
Yeah, see, so that was also bad. Any messages, right? I would not want our messages, individual private messages leaked. So that's what I'm saying. Universally, if this can be applied, unless there's a law and order situation. I mean, this is a whole big topic in itself. This cyber security and how secure our individual private existence, our virtual existence, is how safe or not. That's a whole
See why you and me are
debate in itself.
see why you and me are in different nation. Why aren't we in India? We are here to earn money. Okay, if a tweet will give you $2.5 million, won't you tweet it?
No, I mean, see, you are
And
sharing
she's
your
not
personal views here. You
she's
are
not
here to, like,
listen
do that. Maybe
she's not,
somebody else has other reasons to come, including, maybe making money for sure.
see
But
Rihanna,
yeah, we are
what she
digressing a
tweeted,
little bit.
she only tweeted, why aren't we talking about this? She
Yeah,
never gave her
Rihanna did, right?
opinion. She never gave her opinion. She never supported farmers. She never did anything. She just tweeted one thing: why aren't we talking about this? That's it. And she never
Yes,
tweeted
and that's all.
anything.
She never said anything else.
Exactly.
No,
And
but I think she should not only have said that. If she felt, she should have said, let the farmers, protesters go to Narendra Modi's house and, like,
but why?
sit there.
Why?
No, I'm just saying, I'm exaggerating stuff. I'm
Yeah.
just trying to say, if Rihanna wanted to say that, she should have said that.
No,
If
if
Rihanna said, why
she's a
is nobody
celebrity,
talking about
even
it?
UN,
So what?
she's a
She can say
celebrity.
anything she wants.
No, even the
Is my is
UN
Yes.
see her post. Even all big politicians around the world see her post, and she never told her mind out or heart out. She just told, why aren't we talking about? And this is a pure what to
True.
say,
I agree with you.
a
There's nothing wrong in
scenario,
what she said.
and this is a complete scenario where they are like,
Nothing. You asked me, nothing wrong in what you said, but I get that you're trying to tell me that she's an international celebrity with millions of Twitter followers, and she put this on Twitter, and
हिंदी
people
में
would
बोलूं
want
तो
to read
उधर
about
ह्यूमन
this.
राइट्स की मां
But
बहन कर रहे हैं.
if I were the government, right, I would have let them talk about it, because then more people will get aware of the situation and would want to read what has happened, and they will realize that here three laws have come which the government is willing to talk about, and they're saying we will even push the start date by a couple of years. We will sit and talk, discuss point by point. Indian farming culture and farm laws needs reform desperately. Anybody who's connected with farming in India is going to tell you that change chahiye,
I'll,
reform
I'll, I'll,
chahiye.
I'll I'll add
It's
on one thing.
actuals that people are talking about.
I will add on one thing. Okay, this 18th, uh, 12 rounds of their talks with the government. Okay, government accepted that there are flaws in all the three laws. Okay, out of 23 there are 18 points where they told that the government is wrong. So when the entire fucking bill is wrong, why do you want to impose it? First remove the bill,
No,
make the new
that's
bill,
not what
and then
see,
you.
that's not what I heard. That's not what I read or heard also. So the issue is that there are these three laws. One is the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Act of 2020.
No, I am
The
not
next
saying
one
the
is
entire
Farmers
law is.
Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Service Act. And then the third one is Essential Commodities.
Yes.
Now, if these are these three laws, there will be modules of these laws, there will be subsections.
Yes.
Each subsection will have, so there is a lot of literature, okay, once you
Yes.
pass a bill. So go through this literature. The farmers have been going through this literature. I think you need a proper stable leadership to discuss this with the government. If they discuss that no, हम जिद करके 26 जनवरी को ही एक मोर्चा निकालेंगे, क्यों नहीं परमिशन लेगी? And
यार एक मिनट,
when
26
people
जनवरी
are
तो
saying
बहुत
हक है
बाद,
हम लोग का,
26
I'm
जनवरी
saying
तो बहुत बाद
I'm
में
giving
होगा.
you I get what I'm saying. I'm questioning the leadership a little bit here. If you let me let me try to explain what I'm trying to tell you. कि एक दिन पहले पुलिस के साथ ये लोग डिस्कस किए हैं that we will do a protest. The police has desperately tried to convince them don't do it on Republic Day because the parade and the thing and the Rashtrapati thing and that जो होता है जो parade and all the national anthem salute and the flag hoisting and all that, which takes half a day and police is involved there, a lot of security is involved there. So like do some other day. But the farmers are like, no, it's our right. It's the 26th January. We want to do it that day. So these guys sit and discuss very minutely, hardcore details about ये route होगा. You will not come to Delhi. These farmers have agreed कि हम दिल्ली तक छू के U-turn लेके we will go, and then permission has been given. So media and police were all guiding these protesters and following them and वो सब चल रहा था. At one point when stuff broke and all that happened. So basically they could not take their herd, their troops, or whatever they want. The farmers, they could not take the whole jatha and stick to one route. Okay. Now you expect that all these individual detailed laws, this Amendment Act, the Empowerment and Protection Act, the Promotion and Felicitation Act, when you think all the discussion for these acts will happen smoothly and without a lot of interruptions or I think they need a more stable, more firmly, proper, clear-minded leaders who have specific points, who can discuss that with the government. And I don't think there'll be more issues, or there'll be a lot of issues. अगर ये लोग ये करते हैं तो, but if they set the point of view that take these laws back, or otherwise this, otherwise that, that's all. You have lost the battle. The government gets a free hand to keep avoiding you. You can't do that with the government. With any other Congress
but if you
government पहले
see,
weak थी,
if you
तो this
see,
BJP government definitely weak नहीं है.
एक मिनट, ऐसा नहीं है ब्रो. अगर तू देखेगा तो जिस बंदे ने लाल किले पे जाके वो झंडा लगवाया, वो तो बीजेपी का ही, ही इज एन एक्टिव मेंबर ऑफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी.
The दीप सिद्धू
Yes.
who was arrested,
Yes.
भाई उसको दौड़ा के पकड़ा है, पकड़ा है अभी.
यार एक मिनट, आप ही का बंदा, आप ही का एक्टिव मेंबर.
See, that guy.
देख, that is completely a point
No,
of
you are
dispute.
right. But कोई लोग ना सुपर तू बोल रहा है आप ही का बंदा because there is a photo of Deep Sidhu with Modi and Shah and there is a photo of Deep Sidhu. फोटो नहीं भाई, उसने कैंपेनिंग की, प्रमोशन किया है अपने सनी देओल के लिए.
भाई तेरा मेरा भी
बीजेपी टिकट.
See, you and me are Indians, okay? तेरा मेरा भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी है. तू और मैं फोटो जाके खिंचा सकते हैं.
सभी का है.
हाँ, अमित शाह के साथ खिंचा सकते. छोड़ दे, अभी तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, वो तो हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर भी था. हम तो गुजरात के थे.
उसका लिंक है. उसका तू बोलना चाह रहा है कि उसका लिंक है बीजेपी वालों के साथ.
भाई तू और मैं गुजरात से है.
बट अब मेरी बात ये सुन, उसका फोटो सैकड़ों people who make speeches, aggravated speeches, उनके साथ भी है. उसका फोटो ये वैसा बंदा है.
I'm not talking
anywhere
about
where
photo.
he can wear.
I'm not talking about photo. I'm talking about he's an active member of.
But no, I am actually talking about photo because ये बंदा ऐसा है दीप सिद्धू that just because he has photos with Narendra Modi, he's an actor. Maybe कहीं पहुंच गया होगा promotion में, just because he has photos with Modi or with Sunny Deol, who's a BJP guy, does not mean he is a BJP guy. He has connections there, but अभी ये भाई और बहुत सारे पंजाबी एक्टर्स मेरे को देख, आई एम नॉट अ पंजाबी राइट, मैं समझता हूँ थोड़ा, मैं शायद बोल भी लूँ थोड़ा, अस्सी थोड़ा सा पंजाबी पंजाबी दस दे हाँ, तो आई कैन मे बी अंडरस्टैंड स्पीक अ लिटिल बिट लाइक मे बी हाफ ऑफ इंडिया कहते हैं, बट आई नो पंजाबी, आई डोंट नो देयर सिंगर्स एंड स्टफ, द लोकल मीडिया में क्या चल रहा है, but a lot of people for publicity, have jumped into this because by now did you know this name Deep Sidhu? I did not know. I don't know if you knew. Now guess what? Some people have heard of the name. वो होती है पब्लिसिटी, उन लोगों को करोड़ों खर्च करने पड़ते हैं विदाउट पर ये बंदे को पब्लिसिटी थोड़ा ज्यादा ही मिल गई, हाँ, इसको भगा भगा के पकड़ा है, ओके, वो जो भी कनेक्शन है सब निकलेंगे, but there are a lot of such kind of people who मतलब चांस पे डांस मारने की भाई हम फार्मर्स के साथ हैं, पब्लिसिटी मिलेगी, and they have come out and they've taken name. जो 6 महीने पहले कुछ और कर रहा था, अभी वो ये कर रहा है, मतलब इतना इजिली मूवेबल है ये दीप सिद्धू कैरेक्टर कि भाई बीजेपी के साथ, इन लोगों के साथ था, अभी कोई और लिंक्स निकल रहे हैं.
See, to be really honest, we should not go into the political. We should not go into the political scenario of this protest. We are talking about farmers' protest, why it is happening. Like sitting in Canada, I can see that all these 3 laws, if you see,
I think this has become political. क्या बोलता है? This farmers' protest
see
has
every
become
protest,
political.
See, every protest is a political, what to say, agenda
has some political agenda.
Yeah. See, we are not talking about
if you are saying that, and if that is true, then we will have to see
यार 500 बंदे पार्लियामेंट जाते हैं, लाखों
who gets the victory, I guess,
just a minute, 500 लोग पार्लियामेंट में जाते हैं, okay, to be precise 560 something,
542
yeah, that's
543,
okay. हमको वो भी नहीं पता भाई, हम खाने
sorry guys, हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी, but we are not so accurate with stuff, or हम like actually casual discussion कर रहे हैं,
no, because we are common people,
हम like legislative members कितने and stuff, but हमको याद नहीं है.
Dude, because we are common people, हमारे दिन के काम अलग है bro. हम सुबह उठते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं, पैसा बनाते हैं, घर चलाते हैं, और मैं तो अभी पढ़ाई भी कर रहा हूँ, तेरी तो हो गई है,
and I've recently finished my masters. Yeah, anyways, this is not about we're talking about
I'm talking
farmers
about
here, right?
The government has said that there is flaw in the law, and this is a government statement. जब फ्लॉ है तो तुमको वापस लेने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? मैं ये नहीं बोलता कि लॉ मत बनाओ, रिफॉर्म्स बनाओ, बट बात करके बनाओ ना. और अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं बोलता हूँ बाकी छोड़ दो, चलो नहीं लेना है लॉ, रिवाइज करना है करो, आप मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस तो बना दो, मेक इट अ लॉ. यार आज तू और मैं काम करते हैं, यू आर इन यूएस, आई एम इन कनाडा, भाई मेरे
हार्ड लॉ बना दो ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं बचे.
नहीं, कंफ्यूजन छोड़ दे. आज जस्ट अ मिनट, I'll explain you something. आज तू मेरे को बोल, तू और मैं काम करते हैं, मैं इधर वैनकूवर साइड बैठा हूँ, $14.60 इज माय मिनिमम पे. अगर कोई भी आदमी काम करने आता है तो उसको मिनिमम पे $14.60 मिलती है उसकी मेहनत की. ओके, फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट क्या बोलता है कि आप मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस बना दो, जितनी मेरी लागत लगी है, the investment which I have done in the crop.
I definitely, Subal, I know, but you should go on, like explain it to our audience who in case किसी को नहीं मालूम होगा ऑडियंस में कि MSP क्या है. और एक्चुअली बहुत लोग हैं यहाँ, बहुत बोलते हैं, they will like talk about MSP, प्रोटेस्ट में भी बैठे होंगे, किसान भाई भी होंगे शायद, but it's good to know what this is. Yeah, please go on.
भाई अगर मेरी लागत लगी है, suppose x amount is my investment in the crop, okay?
Yes.
That investment plus 50% of the profit on that investment will be my minimum support price. कि भाई मेरी जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो भी आ गई, 50% उसका प्रॉफिट ऊपर से भी आ गया, and with every year it will increase. Okay, this is minimum support price. यार आज मैं
इसमें I also read a little bit. It's a little more complicated. इसमें मेरे को जैसे क्रिकेट में वो जस्ट मोटा मोटी है, जैसे डकवर्थ लुइस क्रिकेट में बोलता है ना, कोई मैच पूरा नहीं हो पाया, बारिश हो रही है, समथिंग, वो दे यूज अ ब्रिलियंट स्टैटिस्टिकल मॉडल टू प्रेडिक्ट ये होना चाहिए 18 ओवर्स में, यू हैव टू फिनिश, दिस इज योर राइट. price that the farmer puts is calculated, 50% plus that is given, and previous year में अगर drought हुआ था, and you know the crop value, and there are 50 other parameters which might not have that big an impact as to 50% plus your base price of तुम्हारा farmer का cost price, manure के लिए, fertilizer के लिए, land के लिए, जो भी हो, that's all calculated in a very generic sense for millions of farmers. एक calculation government करता है, but ये soft है. Government promises that they will give that, but that's not in law.
Yes.
So I am with the farmers के it is should be in law. ठीक
मैं
है? It should be कि उनका हक है कि they should not get below this price.
भाई
I am all for that. Yes.
Minimum support price को अगर जैसे ये लोग ने रूल बना दिया ना, 50% of the farmers will go back.
Hopefully.
एक मिनट यार, सीधी बात है. आज तेरे को मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है भाई, मेरे को पता है कि मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस इज अ रूल. मैं उधर बैठ के पागल है, मेरे काम नहीं है क्या? मैं जाके खेती करूंगा, पैसे कमाऊंगा. Dude, nobody is free
That's
to
right.
go there and protest like that. भाई घर बार छोड़ के लाखों लोग बैठे, तो MSP बना दो. You will see within 4-5 days 50% of the population will go away from protest. Why the hell you want to support farmers? You want to make a bill to give advantage to the farmers, and you don't want to give them a minimum support price. Wow. Leave those 3 bills. Leave everything.
No, but this has not been there. Can you imagine? This kind of assurance has not been there since the last 70, 80, 70.
Why did the entire nation?
What happened to my math?
No, leave it.
71, 74.
Leave it. Why did every Indian has given vote to the BJP government and brought 350 seats in the legislation for BJP government to get the change? Whatsoever has not happened in last 74 years should happen.
I know, I 100% agree with this call. Here, it's important for us to keep this in mind. तुम बोल रहे हो कि भाई अब तक अपने इंडियन एग्जांपल्स नहीं सुना. मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई अब तक मारुति थी, ठीक है, 800. अब तक मारुति में घुमा रहे थे पूरी सरकार लोगों को 800 में, ठीक है. और अब पूछ रहे हैं कि अभी लोग पूछ रहे हैं, ठीक है, जो पूछना चाहिए हक है लोगों को, अभी लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि भाई फरारी क्यों नहीं खड़ी है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. बट बात ये है कि मारुति और फरारी के बीच में एक Hyundai एक्सेंट भी तो आती है, और एक अपना कोई रेनॉल्ट का कोई डस्टर आ जाता है,
मेहनत का पैसा अगर नहीं मिलेगा.
मैं बोलने की कोशिश ये कर रहा हूँ, सरकार ने किया है रिफॉर्म्स, ठीक है, on something that is fucked up apparently. The whole I'm sorry, this is a family show. I'm sorry about using the 4-letter word there. Slip up, sorry guys. But this has been this was desperately required. Reforms were desperately required. ये सरकार ने बोला है कि हम ओपन है रिफॉर्म. इन द रिफॉर्म जो हम लाए हैं, एंड दे हैव ट्राइड ब्रिंगिंग 3 laws. ओके, वी एग्री दैट वी नीड द MSP टू बी प्रॉपर एंड लॉ होना चाहिए. एंड कौन से क्रॉप के लिए, ऑल दैट क्रॉप इश्यूज इन पंजाब एंड द वाटर क्राइसिस इन पंजाब, जहाँ पे पानी खत्म हो रहा है ड्रास्टिकली. पंजाब इज गेटिंग डेजर्टिफाइड.
Government knows.
Millions of Punjabis have an issue that water levels in Punjab is going down drastically because of high water consuming crops like paddy and wheat. जिसपे this whole last 30 years का जो पंजाबी farmer revolution है, जो अब धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है, that was there on paddy and wheat, highly water consuming crops. ठीक है, so there are issues which is by government of Punjab is run by who? By Punjabis. Okay. Institutions and all these governing bodies of Punjab are who? Are Punjabis. Who's raising the biggest cry and alert about water levels going down के तुम पैडी छोड़ो, ये छोड़ो, कुछ उगा ही नहीं पाओगे. There are regions starting, वो श्री गंगानगर से कनेक्ट करता है ना, नॉर्दर्न राजस्थान से पंजाब, वहां से desertification is spreading into. Okay, so there are millions of issues. It's not as easy as anybody wants. What I'm saying is, looking at the government's intentions, it feels like they have brought a reform. ठीक है, they want this मंडी का जो दबदबा है वेस्टर्न यूपी, हरियाणा और पंजाब में, they want the मंडी का दबदबा to go down a little bit, ताकि कोई जाके डायरेक्टली फार्मर प्राइवेट प्लेयर से खरीद सके. अब ये लोग इशू उठा रहे हैं कि प्राइवेट प्लेयर जो भी होगा, they are saying that अब हम दो, हमारे दो अडानी अंबानी, they are saying that, but जो भी होगा, दे आर थिंकिंग कि वो जाके फार्मर को वो लूटना चाहेगा कम में, अगर 5 रुपए में बिक रहा है तो वो 3 रुपए में खरीदना चाहेगा, यू नो। गवर्नमेंट कैन हैव, आई थिंक ये एंड में ऐसे सेटल करेंगे कि गवर्नमेंट विल हैव अ बॉडी जिस पे any farmer can go if somebody, tries to cheat them or something. There should be that minimum MSP that the government has to monitor.
Dude,
There has to be
secondly,
there has to be that.
अगर ये big to say multinational companies, if they don't pay farmers, you know what? They can't even go to the High Court or Supreme Court. They have to just go to the district magistrate. Why? Aren't those farmers a part of Indian system? Why they are
And
not
that's why the
allowed
battle is
to?
lost, Supal. That's why I think the battle is already lost there, where you're saying, right, which farmer will go to district magistrate also? Forget High Court and Supreme Court. Apne farmer bechare, they are committing suicides. This has to be made easier for the farmers. This
Yeah,
whole
but
process of trying to
if
sell their produce has to be made easier.
yes, and
Has to
secondly,
be.
dude, they are asking their right. Okay, भाई मेरी उगन है, मेरी लागत है, मेरे को उसका भी. Now simple, one crop which has been grown in Punjab, it has a minimum price of 1300 some rupees per quintal. The same crop has been sold in Bihar, which the Bihar what to say farmer get 800 rupees for the same crop, same quality. Why? Because
Yeah.
here you have a government mandi, here you have a private mandi. You're getting my point. This is the major discrimination. Why Biharis are going to Punjab and working as a laborer in farms? Okay, like I had 20 people under me who
Because
have
Punjabis are not ready to work, man. That's the problem there.
because
The
they are
farm kids have
earning
not.
more.
They're
They
earning
are
more.
earning more.
Yes, they're not ready to do the labor jobs. That's happening in Kerala. That's happening in parts of Karnataka. That's happening in parts of Maharashtra. That's happening in the tea plantations
The
of
farmers in
Tamil Nadu.
Bihar are getting poorer and poorer day
देख
by day.
वो होना ही है, देख वो होना ही है. This India's constitution is such that now Sufal Kapoor from Punjab can go and set up something in Mumbai. His son then can decide to go and do it in Lucknow. His son then can go and decide to do it in Rajkot, and then you can decide to do it in Kolkata.
हाँ, अच्छा, I wanted to, हाँ, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि at least minimum support price should be given. Okay, because the thing is what farmers in different state are dying because they are not getting a minimum support price. Why farmers in Punjab is so rich? Because the crops which are growing in Punjab and Haryana is under that minimum support price. Okay,
and the mandi system is strong in
exactly.
Punjab and Haryana, so maybe that mandi system actually works.
यार पढ़े लिखे है ब्रो, हर फार्मर का लड़का या हर खुद का लड़का या भाई का लड़का, somebody is there in Canada, US, UK, bro, they are all over the world. Why this protest is going so huge? Because they are getting funding from the world. Okay, and they are not protesting for something which is wrong. Bro, you agreed that you have flaws in your bill. Remove that bill. If you really want to bring a new bill, make a committee, make a proper bill, and bring it back. And in that
that's
bill,
a way.
make
That
an
is
MSP.
the way to do it. That is a way to do it. Another way to do it is we have employed the best minds to come up with the bill. This is our bill. This is the government. Okay, respect it. Come discuss with us points by point. What is okay, what is not okay, and we can sort it out. So because it's the government, that respect has to be shown because it's passed in the parliament. That respect has to be shown, I feel. But
No,
if you
but
do
why?
not
How
take
it
it
was?
off, I
How
think
it
there will
was
be
passed?
clashes.
How it was passed? There was no session in parliament. There was no opposition.
Because there was a boycott by the opposition that they do not want to sit and discuss this. So
Because it
there
was
no
wrong.
See,
Because it was wrong,
there is
dude. You don't want to give respect to your opposition. You don't want to give respect to the 60% of the population of the country who are farmers.
See,
You just
I'm
want
not
to
trying
do
to
that.
see. We are now. It seems like we are now taking BJP versus Congress. I give
I
two
am
shits
just
about the
taking.
BJP.
I am just supporting farmers.
No,
That's it. I don't
I'm
give shit about Rahul Gandhi.
absolutely.
I don't give a shit about Narendra Modi. Okay.
I don't give two shits about BJP. But then, if it's the government, there is a way to to go through those laws or to this thing. Maybe the government will repeal. But you can't tell the government take the laws back or नहीं तो हम ये you can't do that with the government is what I'm trying to say.
Bro, you are 500 people sitting in the government. dude, there are 60% people who are protesting against the law bill.
These 500 people, 542 people are representing 1.3 billion people.
Yeah, but how they are there? Because
900,000
we
souls.
voted, right? If we are not happy with that, how can you pass that? And secondly, if this thing, I don't at all support Congress. If their policies are good, we support. If their policies are wrong, we protest. This topic is very deep, and like
Absolutely, man.
there is no point of discussion until and unless a government and farmers
Yeah,
come to a
and there are no
conclusion
rights.
at a point.
There is no we sitting from here. We're not saying this is right or that is right. We're just sharing our points of views, and we want the desh ka hit. We want the desh ka bhala. We want the farmers to be good.
And
We
we
don't want our
definitely
policemen, our farmers, our government, nobody to be in trouble. Basically,
and we not at all support whatsoever happened on 26 January. It
yes,
was a
we have to make
disgrace,
that
a
categorical.
shame on whatsoever happened on that particular day. Like
Yes.
sitting over here, it is a shame for us that something happened in our country and which we can't even talk about it. It is so
Yeah.
disrespectful and disgraceful.
If our neighbors or if somebody just asks like, oh my God, what's happening?
Yeah.
People took out the flag on your Independence Day and stuff. It's just it's not a nice way. Anyways, we wear that on the chest with pride, and we try to explain what was happening. But there's so much happening. You can never completely keep track.
But the only solution can happen is the government and farmers should come on the table once again.
Whatever happens, me and Supal will keep coming back to you guys. We will bring our points of views, and let us know if you guys like our discussion here. If you guys like this whole format of us bringing us, what's happening around here in North America, and what Indians here think about what's happening back home in India. So हमको जरूर बताइएगा,
and to support us,
comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Desi NRIs. Yeah, Supal, you were saying?
Yeah, just support us, and we will come to you with all the trending, updated, things which are going around
all the
in
fun
the
stuff
world.
जो भी हो रहा है, yeah. We love soccer, we love cricket. अपना ये जो test match series चल रहा है, India Australia, that was so much fun to watch. India England is happening, IPL is happening. Maybe we will do an episode on that. We wanted to do an episode on immigration. Supal was giving me ideas, and I'm definitely for that idea. We should do an episode where we kind of make explain the whole journey.
If any day you want to come to Canada,
journey, our how we made the journey from there as students or as professionals. Options hai, we can discuss that. A lot of people will be interested in doing that.
And we want your suggestion as well, that what will be our next topic, so that at least we should know what exactly our viewers want to listen about our comments on different topics. So I would rather recommend you to give a suggestion on the comment below, that what should be our next topic.
Absolutely.
What do you say?
So yes, I agree with you. And more comments we have, we could know what the audience wants to listen to, and whether they agree with us, disagree with us. अगर आपको हम लोग की बात पसंद आए, tell us. If अगर आपको हमारी बात नहीं पसंद आए, कोई point अगर ऐसा लगे कि नहीं ये गलत है, वो भी बताइएगा हमको. हम सुनेंगे आपकी बात, हम रीड करेंगे आपकी कमेंट्स. ठीक है. और ये कह के आज I would like to take a leave. See you, Supal. See you, everybody.
See you.
फिर मिलेंगे.